Kia ora koutou, ko Alice tōku ikoa, kei te whare tauka o Otago aho e Mahiana. My name is Alice, I work at the Otago Museum, and today is our second video in our two-part series all about our wonderful tarantulas in our tropical forest. In part one, we talked a little bit about how we feed and look after our tarantulas. In this video, we're going to talk a little bit more about the molting process of our tarantulas and what makes New World tarantulas, the type we've got in our forest, special. The terms New World and Old World refer to the different geographic regions that each species of tarantula are found in. New World refers to tarantulas found in the Americas, while Old World refers to tarantulas found in Africa, Asia, Europe, and Australia. The tarantulas that we have in our forest are New World tarantulas, and they are native to Chile and Brazil. New and Old World tarantulas differ in many ways, but they all go through one important process: molting. A tarantula sheds its exoskeleton, the hard covering surrounding its body, to make more room as it grows. This process is called molting, and it can be pretty stressful for the little guys. Molting usually takes a couple of hours, during which time the tarantula is most vulnerable to predators. Thankfully, our tarantulas can safely hide away in their little terracotta pots to molt. Once the exoskeleton is shed, the tarantula will be left with a shiny new coat, which can take at least a week to fully harden. Once a tarantula has molted, we can use its exoskeleton to determine its sex. To do this, the Living Environments Officer, or other experienced handler, will take the exuvia or molted exoskeleton and examine it very carefully, looking for certain distinct features that are unique to the males and females. To be most accurate, this process requires an intact exoskeleton, which can be easily broken as the tarantula wiggles its way out. Because of this, we're not entirely sure of the sex of our Brazilian black just yet. If we look up close and personal at the molt of one of our tarantulas, we can see a feature that is unique to New World tarantulas: urticating hairs. The word urticating comes from the Latin word urtica, meaning nettle. Just like the stinging nettle in your back garden at home, these hairs can cause itching, swelling, and redness when touched, and can be thrown in the direction of a predator when the tarantula feels threatened. For this reason, and for some of the others we talked about in our first video, our tarantulas are safely tucked away in their own personal enclosures. If you'd like to learn more about the amazing animals in our tropical forest, check out our other videos up on the Otago Museum website. For now though, I'll leave you with this fun at-home activity. If you are scared of tarantulas and you think those are creepy, you should or shouldn't check out their biggest predator, the tarantula hawk. I'm not going to spoil it for you, but they are pretty gnarly. So with that in mind, I hope you enjoy that and take care.